Hey guys, what's up? Sally D, James, here at Compound 420, our little practice track. This is the newest edition over here. We're just going to hit it one time, show you what we got over here. Stay tuned, alright? Track's a lot bigger. We'll scan the track afterwards for you. Keep an eye on us. I know that wasn't very smooth, but I gotta tell you, it's the first dry run for me. So, stay tuned and we'll give you something funny to watch. But